of a number. How to find the square of a number. We'll start with elementary concepts. We will develop a lot of beautiful conclusions. How to find the square of a number. Now see, to find the square of a number, we will use Pascal's a plus b power n expansion. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. To find the cube of a number, I will use a plus b power 3. First example, 77 whole square, which is nothing but divide into a 7 b 7. What is this slash? B is the unit digit, a is the tens digit. So the value is nothing but 10a plus b. If the slash is kept before tens place, it is into 10. If the slash is kept before units 10 hundreds, if the slash is kept before hundreds place, it is 100x plus yz. The slash will tell what is the value of the digit which is present in the left side of the slash. A is in the tens place, so it is 10a. X is in the hundreds place, it is 100x plus yz. A is 7, B is 7. D is nothing but a square. Next is 2ab and next is b square. A plus b whole square. Elementary concepts up to higher level questions we will discuss. 7 square is 49. 49 2s are 98. 7 square is 49. Write down the unit digit 9. 4 carried. 98 plus 4 is 102. Write down the unit digit 2. 10 carried. 49 plus 10 is 59. 77 whole square is 5929. Again I am explaining. 77 whole square is a square. Next is 2ab. Next is b square. 7 square is 49. 98. 49. Write down the unit digit 9. 4 carried. 98 plus 4 102. 2. 10 carried. 49 plus 10 is 59. Except leftmost place. Except leftmost place. Every place. Except leftmost place. Every place write down the unit digit. Every place write down the unit digit. Except leftmost place. Every place write down the unit digit. If you observe, 77 whole square is nothing but 5929. Where the first two digits 59 is a prime number and the next two digits 29 is also a prime number. This is one of the 4-digit perfect squares where the first two digits is a prime number and the next two digits is also a prime number. 77 whole square is 5929. Do not leave the class in between. At the end of the class, you will come to know which method needs to be used where. 5929. One more example which we will do. Suppose for example, 59 whole square it is there. A is 5 and B is 9, which is a square. Next is 2ab and next is b square. D is 25. 10 9s are 90. 9 square is 81. Write down the unit digit 1. 8 carried. 98. 8. 9 carried. 25 plus 9 34. Answer is 3481. Answer is 3481. I hope the idea is clear. 59 whole square is 3481. Then the next question arises. What if the number is a 3-digit number? What if the number is a 3-digit number? First question. How to check whether the answer is right or wrong? How to check whether the answer is right or wrong without using calculator? Second question. How to check whether the answer is right or wrong without using calculator? Calculator is developed by a human being. Human being is not developed by a machine. Any time a human being collective power can always defeat the human machine intelligence. Collective power of human can never be replaced. These are the two doubts that you will get. How to check whether the answer is right or wrong? What if the number is a 3-digit number? Let us see one by one these questions. Right? 59 whole square is 3481. Now, suppose if it is 112 whole square, it is a 3-digit number. These 112 whole square can be solved in two methods. One is method number 1. Another is method number 2. We know the logic to find the square of a number, which is a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A and b are two variables. The two variables should be given to 3 digits. So these are nothing but divided into two variables. A is taking 11, B is taking 2. These are nothing but 11 into 10 plus 2 whole square. Actually, 110 plus 2 whole square. A is 11. A square. Next is 2ab. And next is B square. These 121. These 44. 2 square is 4. Write down the unit digit 4. Write down the unit digit 4. 4 carried. 121 plus 4 is 125. Except the leftmost place. Every place write down the unit digit. Hey Anil sir, why are you writing the unit digit? Because B is taking only one digit. Because B is taking one digit. Every place write down the unit digit. 2 square is 4. 44 unit digit is 4. 4 carried. 121 plus 4 is 125. Hey Anil sir, can I do like this? Where two variables are distributed among three numerical values. 1 slash 12. It is nothing but slash will tell you the value of the digit which is present to the left of the slash. 1 into 100 plus 12 square. Even this method will give you the answer orally. This method will give you the answer orally. A square, next is 2ab, and next is b square, and next is b square. Just give me 1 minute, sir. Praveen, speak to the person. Somebody is trying to reach me, right? A square, 2ab and b square. 12 twos are 24. 12 square is 144. Here B is taking one digit. So only unit digit is written. Here B is taking two digits. So the last two digits are written. 44. 1 carried. 24 plus 1, 25. And it is 12544. That means if B is taking k digits, all the places other than the leftmost place, if B is taking k digits, all the places other than the leftmost place, it will take how many digits? K digits. If B is taking k digits, all the places other than the leftmost will take how many digits? K digits. Why it is happening? 100 square is 10 power 4. It is 2 into 12 into 10 square. 12 square is 144. Here it will give you two zeros. 144. 00 plus 00 plus 44. 44 will be the last two digits. Very, very important key point. If B is taking k digits, all the places other than the leftmost place, it will take k digits. All the places other than the leftmost place, right? It has got k digits. I hope it is. Please do not get into any debates. Just write down in the way I am structuring the class. You yourself will understand as the class progresses. 317 whole square. Two methods. There is method 1 and there is method 2. Method 1 and method 2. 317 whole square. Divide into two parts. A is 31, B is 7. A square. Next is 2 into 31 into 7. Next is 7 square. Here we need to know what is 31 square. Next is 3 with 17 square. 17 square is easy compared to 31. A square. Next is 2ab. And next is b square. These are nothing but 9. These are nothing but 102. 17 square is 289. 17 square is 289. Here B is taking unit digit. Write down 49, 9. Unit digit, 4 carried. These multiplication will take some time. These, if I use 31 with 7, if I use 31 with 7, this is a time consuming approach. Time consuming approach. These last two digits, 17 square, 18, 9. 2 carried, 102 plus 2, 104, 04, 1 carried, 9 plus 1 is 10. Answer is 1000489. Here also if you solve, you will get 1000489. You will solve 1000489. Idea is to understand how to use a plus b whole square in finding the square of a 2-digit number. Then we are scaling up to 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number. 5-digit number. I hope it is clear. One important key point. If b takes k digits, all the places other than the leftmost place, it has k digits. All the places other than the leftmost place, it has the k digits. I hope this idea, it is clear. 317 square. Right after the class is over, you can use the same logic to find 414 square. You should get the answer 171396. Please do it right after the class is over. Take this problem as a take-home problem. You will get the answer. 414 whole square is 171396. But what is the drawback with this method? Why this method is not considered to be a best method to solve all the problems? Suppose if I take 987 square. If I use a plus b whole square, a is 98 and b is 7. Next is a is 9 and b is 87. In both the cases, case number 1, 98 square I need to determine. Case number 2, 87 square I need to determine. Very time consuming approach. Of course, in another 15-20 minutes, you will say 98 square as 9604 and 87 square as 7569. Very time consuming approach. Very time consuming approach. Time consuming approach. So we will not solve this problem. Very time consuming approach. So we will not solve this kind of a plus b whole square for a larger numbers. 987 square, 98 square and 87 square. Computation as of now is little difficult. So this method we will not use. But how to overcome this method? Another method. Right after the class is over, go to Google. Type this in Google. Right? Arthur Benjamin. There is a book on mental calculations. Few chapters will be very useful for the students who know the concepts but their calculation speeds are little low. Very good book. Type Arthur Benjamin's book on mental calculations. You will find free download PDF. Right? Probably in that one, few chapters you can go through it. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This is one of the best sellers worldwide on mental calculations. Arthur Benjamin's book on mental calculations. Benjamin's book on mental calculations. Now, what is the concept number 2? How to overcome that a plus b whole square. So, we all know this identity. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. Minus b square, if it comes to the right hand side, it is a minus b into a plus b square. This is another concept to find the square of a number. In the previous class, I told you, every mathematical problem is an undecidable problem. Depending upon the environment, depending upon whether the answer options are there, whether it is a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, the Methods will keep changing. There is no one concept which will be the best under every circumstances. That kind of problems are called undecidable problems. A square is a minus b into a plus b square. Suppose I want 96 square. One is a plus b whole square. Another method, 96 is nearer to 100. 96 is nearer to 100. A value is 96. B is the difference between number and assumed base. 96 and 100, which is 4. B is the absolute difference between, please write down, sir. B is the absolute difference between number and assumed base. B is the absolute difference between the number and assumed base. So 96, even if you take 96 minus 100 or 100 minus 96, these both will get interchanged and answer remains the same. 96 minus 4 into 96 plus 4 plus 4 square. So answer is nothing but 9200 plus 16, which is 9216. Which is 9216. 96 plus 4 is 100. 100 will have 2 zeros at the end. So directly you can write the answer as 96 minus 4, 92. 16 plus 0 is 16. Suppose if it is 91 square. 91 minus 9, 82. 100 is 2 zeros. 9 square is 81. So it is nothing but 80 to 81. Answer for 91 square is 80 to 81. B is the absolute difference between the number and assumed base. 96, 100. Difference is 4. Sir, I will take minus 4. 96 of minus 4, 96 minus 4. Both will give you the answer. 92 into 100 plus 16. Answer is 9216. It is also 80 to 81. Let us solve few questions orally. 987 square. 987 is nearer to base 1000. These 987 minus 13. 987 plus 13 plus 13 square. These nothing but 974. 1000 is 3 zeros. 13 square is 169. Answer is 974, 169. These 3 zeros can be cancelled while adding with 169. If I use a 987 square using a plus b whole square, it is very time consuming. So all the 3 numbers, I took the numbers nearer to power of 10, less than power of 10. Let me take greater than power of 10. Let me not take a number which is nearer to power of 10. 108 square. 108 square. Right after the class, practice it. You will be extremely impressed with your calculation skills. 108. These nothing but 108 minus 8. These 108 plus 8 plus 8 square. Answer is nothing but 116. 00 plus 64. Answer is 116, 64. 11664. Directly you will get the answer. In fact, you can eliminate this 00 because 00 when added to 64, it is 11664. Suppose if it is 9992 square. Seems like a very difficult question, but actually it is easy. These nearer to 10,000. These nothing but 9984. 4 zeros will be there. 2 zeros. 8 square is 64. Just with practice, you will be able to solve the problem in less than maximum 20 seconds time if the number is closer to the power of 10. 987 minus 13, 987 plus 13 square. Because the difference is nothing but 13. B is 13. Here B is 8. Here B is also 8. B is also 8. I took the numbers less than 10 power k. I took the numbers greater than 10 power k. Let me not take a number which is nearer to 10 power k. 58 square. 58 square. It is not nearer to 100. So you take a multiple of 10. Suppose if I take 50. These is nothing but 58 minus 8. Next is 58 plus 8. Plus 8 square. These is nothing but 50 into 64 plus 64. These is nothing but 33, 64. 33, 64. So if I take a base which is a multiple of 10, 58 minus 8, 58 plus 8 plus 8 square. Suppose, hey Anil sir, can I take 60? Right? If I take 60, that also will give you the answer. 58 minus 2 into 58 plus 2 plus 2 square. These is nothing but 56 into 60 plus 4, which is nothing but 33, 64. Anil sir, I will not take a multiple of 10. I will take some number because I want to complicate my problem. I will take a prime number 53. That also will give you the answer. 58 minus 5 into 58 plus 5 plus 5 square. That also will give you the answer. 33, 64. Only thing is that here it will be 53 into 63. It will be little more calculation time because of this number. This is relatively easy. Any number multiplied by 10, this is relatively easy. This is relatively easy. Right? I hope it is clear. Right, Praveen, please check your calculation. Answer is 33, 64. Answer is 33, 64. Right? It cannot be 32, 64, which I am going to explain in the next few minutes. You said it is 32, 64. Let us check by using digital sum concept. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 5 plus 8, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 4s are 16, which is nothing but 7. 6 plus 4, 10. 12, 15. 15 digital sum is 6. They both are not matching. So, therefore, probably a calculation mistake which you did it. I hope it is clear. Kindly do not hastily write any calculations in a public chat, sir. Do it slowly because I never asked you to write the answer. You are writing the answer and making your life little miserable for that few minutes of time. You don't need to do it. 33, 64. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat till here. Any doubts are there, you can ask. Let me see the doubts. Right? Asia, it all depends upon the number that you are taking, Asia. For example, 92, it is nearer to which power of 10? 100. So, it is 10 square. 992, it is nearer to which power of 10? 10,000. So, it is 10 power 4. Check the nearest power of 10 for the given number. Check the nearest power of 10 for the given number. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. You got any doubt? Please ask me. Please ask me. You got any doubt? Please ask me. Right? Otherwise say yes, yes, yes in the live chat. Not even a single doubt you will get. Right? In the concepts which I am teaching. Right? There is a difference between a researcher taking a class and a young teacher taking a class. I know the nuts and bolts of every doubt that can arise from a particular problem. Karthik, it is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus tab plus b square. So 73 whole square. This is a and it is 3. A square. Next is 2ab. Next it is b square, which is 5329. 58 square. 58 is nearer to which multiple of 10? Either you can take 50 or 60. If I take 60, 58 minus 2 into 58 plus 2 plus 2 square plus 2 square. That will give you the answer. Right? I hope it is clear. Neha, you can also do 58 square with base 50. If it is 50, this is 58 minus 8 into 58 plus 8 plus 8 square plus 8 square. I hope it is clear. I told you depending upon just candid. Let me be just candid with you. I told you at the end of the class, depending upon which comfort you are in, you choose a method which is convenient for you. My role is to give you every possible resource. You practice it and then decide which to use. I hope I am candid with just candid. Right? I hope it is clear. It is clear, Praveen. I am not clear what you are writing. 58 plus 8. From where you got, I don't know. Right? Next one. A plus B whole square and A square minus B square. Some important key points. Please write down. Some important key points. Right? Sairam, just to hold, I did not discuss the digital sum. I just did it to tell that Praveen did a calculation mistake. Right? Please kindly do not disturb the structure. I personally do not like any students who discuss something which is not the current contextual discussion that is happening. Right? I say it smoothly, but right, I am pro in giving it back. Right? Key points. Key points. Right? Point number 1. A perfect square. A perfect square never ends with. Please write down first point. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Sairam, just have some patience. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Very, very important point. Very, very important point. Proof. Proof. If I take the unit digit of a number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 square is 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. Anywhere I got 2 at the end? No. 3 at the end? No. 7 at the end? No. Now listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Listen. Right? 2 square it is 4. Right hand side unit digit is 10 minus the unit digit. 10 minus 3 it is nothing but square 9. 10 minus 4 it is nothing but 6. 10 minus 9 it is nothing but 1. 8, 10 here 2, 3, 7 or 8. 8 square is 64. 7 square is 49. 6 square is 36. 5 square is 5. So, these is nothing but 10 minus 5 is 5. What is the next one? 10 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 3 is 7. 10 minus 4 is 6. I hope it is clear, right? Now, a perfect square. Very important. Please write down this point. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Please write down this point. Then I will explain that tens complement logic again. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. If any number is a perfect square, it will never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. First question is easy question, then we will take exam question. Is 5432 a perfect square? Is 5432 a perfect square? It is ending with 2. So, therefore, answer is no. Second question. How many elements in the set? How many elements in the set? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are perfect squares. Are perfect squares. How many elements in the set? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are perfect squares. See here, a perfect square cannot end with 2. A perfect square cannot end with 3. These ending with 4. We know that to find the square of a number, we will use the logic a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. B square is ending with 4. B square is ending with 4. If B square is ending with 4, can I say B will take either 2 or its tens complement? 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 square is 4 or 8 square is 64. For example, if B square is ending with 9, if B square ends with 9, B can be either 3 or 10 minus 3, it is nothing but 7. 3 square is 9 or 7 square is 49. I hope the idea it is clear. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is ending with 4. So B can be either 2 or 8. A with 8 whole square. These a square. Next is 2ab. And next is b square. This is a square. Next is 2ab. And next is b square. Any number multiplied by 2. Any number multiplied by 2. It is nothing but even. Any number multiplied by 2. It is nothing but even. So these nothing but a square. These tens place is even. Tens place is even. Tens place is even. Any perfect square ending with 4. Tens place should be even. Tens place should be even. 3 is odd. So therefore it is incorrect. Any perfect square ending with 5. 5 square is 25. 15 square is 225. Any perfect square ending with 5. Tens place is 2. So fourth option also eliminated. I hope it is clear. Any perfect square ending with 4. Tens place should be even. 8 square 64. 12 square 144. 18 square 324. 22 square 484. 28 square 784. 32 square 1024. 38 square 1444. 42 square 1764. So on and so forth. I hope it is clear. Any perfect square ending with 4, tens place should be even. Any perfect square ending with 5, tens place should be 2. Next one, third question. Right? Shreyash, maybe I wrote it as 58 square. It is 50. This is 58 minus 8 into 58 plus 8 plus 8 square. This is 66. If I write any other value, please take it out. 64. This will give you 3364. This is 66. If I write any other value, please correct it. I hope you understood the intent. Right? Next one.